Electric skateboard with remote control is the most suitable commute vehicle to get anywhere faster. Owning one remote control skateboard makes riding around your campus or city a convenient and hassle-free experience. Without worrying about being too bulky or space-consuming, you can easily cover the last mile in short and long journeys. By just getting familiar with the technology of remote control, you can have a relaxing urban area travel experience. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Teamgee H5. Teamgee H5 qualifies in the thinnest remote control skateboard category with only 1.5 cm thickness. The 37 inches long concave deck is manufactured with Canadian maple and ply fiberglass that provides comfortable and effortless turning during the ride. With the thin and sleek build, the remote-controlled skateboard offers increased flexibility, weighing only 1/5 lbs. Equipped with dual 380 watts motors, it offers an increased ability to remain stable while reaching a maximum speed of 22 miles per hour. While testing Teamgee H5 37 electric skateboard, it has a durable battery and is used for 2 hours on a plain surface with an average speed of 15 to 17 miles per hour on a fully charged battery. As the batteries are thoroughly tested before being sold out by the manufacturers. It takes only 2 hours to provide you with an ideal range of 9 to 11 miles according to your speed levels. Another feature that makes it unique and the top pick is Teamgee H5's ergonomic remote control that provides an LCD screen to exhibit battery status. It allows the user to spontaneously switch between 2 speed settings, which is quite impressive. Number 2. Shaofu. It is an incredibly gentle and quiet little walk. Run by a motor of 250-watt power and controlled by a wireless remote, it is also capable of adapting to different road terrains. The highest speed is 12 miles per hour and it can go as far as 10 miles after being fully charged. While weighing lighter than other materials, it is capable of bearing an additional weight of 286 pounds for the rider. Generally, this electric skateboard comes with remote control and a 24V 2200 mAh rechargeable battery with a charging time of 2 hours. The body of the electric skateboard is built with 7 layers of maple wood, making a deck 900 mm in length. Maple wood is the most suitable, strong, and durable material. Recommended for people aged 8 or more years. The design of the remote is easy to hold and carry during the ride. It consists of 2 different modes including the beginners and advanced modes. Unlike some other skateboards, there is no risk of battery draining during the ride. It also keeps the rider informed about the battery level and other speeds and brake controls. Number 3. Teamgee H20 wireless and handy remote control for riding offer different speed modes, low, medium, high, and highest or H+. There are 4 different brake modes as well. The speed and acceleration control is easy and smooth in this skateboard. Teamgee H20 electric skateboard has 2 540-watt hub motors in the wheels. The motors provide instant acceleration and deceleration while the speed can go up to 26 miles per hour, qualifying for the highest speeds amongst these electric skateboards. Ergonomically designed, it keeps the rider comfortable during the ride. The remote control is compact and designed in such a way that riders can hold it easily while riding the skateboard. The weight carrying capacity of Teamgee H20 is 286 pounds and the capacity of the battery is 25 to 30 kilometers. The dimensions of the platform are 940 mm x 230 mm x 15 mm. With a low center of gravity to provide high stability. The body and battery of this skateboard are protected using an aluminum alloy. Therefore, there is no probability of damaging the surface. In addition, the concave shape of the base helps to fit the feet of a rider on a skateboard, therefore, there is no chance is slipping.